on a tour of the palace, man. That's right, we rented a palace out, so y'all stay tuned for that, man. Who do we get, Puff Daddies or Mace? Who mansion we got? One of them two, so y'all gotta see it when we get there, man. It's finna be lit, it's finna go down.
This is Bow Wow's house.
Oh, we got Bow Wow? Oh, okay, we got Bow Wow's house.
Hey, Valentine.
Ayy, I'm on a mission, I'm fire. I get that target acquired. Claiming you pass me, you liar. Watch how I'm speeding right by you. Running rubber off your tires. Smoke clouds when I'm driving. No one can do it like I can. No one can do it like I can. No one can do it like whoa. Every day I'm touching road. Hellcat sitting low. I go 205 with whistle, I hit the nitro. I can't even let you get close. Jet fuel in the tank. Big blues in the bank. I had her up on my rank. They couldn't do it like I can. No one can do it in tank. Okay, okay. Mission flyer.
It ain't official. You gotta say it, man.
Man, hey man, say man, hey man, it's your boy, man. Real to real, man. You already know what it is.
Already know what time it is.
Yeah. This is the first dude that I started watching with a Hellcat. I'm just too excited, man. Yeah, calm down, Jay. I can see it
bubbling. Hey, yo, Jason let the tight though. You quiet, then you get him drunk.
Hey, you gotta stop him from fighting.
Nah, he gonna go to sleep. And where you at? That boy gonna go to sleep.
Nah, he gonna be fighting.
Boy,
he gonna be fighting.
Who's gonna say, take me home? I know Boots.
Bro, he said he take a sip, he wanna fight everybody in the club.
Man.
He be the one to be like, God, come on, man, let's go before we got. We gonna fight everybody in this motherfucker because of you.
Nah, he gonna say, my foot hurt, it's time for me to go.
Tear the club up.
Mission Fire, man. Make sure y'all go subscribe to this channel, man.
Check me out. Hellcat Love. You gotta go.
What happened, Juan?
Huh? Oh, yeah.
Hey, hold on. Let me say something where they mask here. Hold on.
I think you only love me cause I'm poppin'. This a layup, this a rebound, then it's robbing. Tyson with the fade, not the hair, my hands rockin'. When I link with ballpoint, you know it's knockin'. I'm not the same. Thinking money made me change, nothing else to blame. Bougie stuck up in my way, singing Gucci gang. Gucci gang, think I'm Gucci Mane. I'm just playing in the cut, I got my Vans on. I'm not selfish, I get on and put my mans on. Always greedy since the day I got my first safe. 5'7", but I'm 6'8" when I stand on the money pals. Need a money counter, I broke my thumb from thumbing down. Wifey on my line, she told me to dumb it down. Mama on my line, asking how I'm dumbing now. I think you only love me cause I'm poppin'. This a layup, this a rebound, then it's robbing. Tyson with the fade, not the hair, my hands rockin'. When I link with ballpoint, you know it's not. Get out my way. I'm so unashamed. Throw it to my veins. Like my 2K green or blue, I'm not into games. Focus on your player's face while I'm stacking change. We throw out what you got on your whole crew late. Every time I drop it, knock you make the screw face. I can't stand to be around people who are two-faced. I can't stand to do some business if you're too late. I beat the beat or defeated. I beat the beat or mistreated. I beat the odds deleted. On top, I'm ODing. No rock star with these leather pants, I'm ACDCing. When I die, I bet they love me, but hate me when I'm breathing. I think you you only love me cause I'm poppin'. This a layup, this a rebound, that's rubbing. Tyson with the fade, not the hair, my hands rockin'. When I link with ballpoint, ay, 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 ay. I think you only love me cause I'm poppin'. This a layup, this a rebound, then it's rubbing. Tyson with the fade, not the hair, my hands rockin'. When I link with ballpoint, you know it's knockin'. Money line, I'ma run it every time. Give me mine, going up, need no decline. Money line, I'ma run it every time. Give me mine, going up, need no decline. Yeah, 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 yeah. Why check Castro, yeah, I need my ass. Yeah, yeah. Why check Castro, yeah, I need my money line. Why check Castro, yeah, I need my money line. Why check Castro, yeah, I need my money line. Watch out for those who surround you, need no funny kind. You can't see what's on my brain, I live inside my mind. Out of space and out of sight, you need me in my line. Need no face, don't need no phonies, no, no, no. Need no snakes, no only homies, down for show. On go, go, go. Get a book and get the front and we load up and roll, roll, roll. I got kids, yeah, I got staff, I make a little need more, more, more. I sell records, you sell packs, not on my level, no, no, no. I'm a pop star, I'm a rock star, I'm a winner. Think I'm not hard, you smoke rock hard waste, man, why you dumb? I'm with airline, we on airlines like we on the run. I'm with Tay, girls run up on me, they done. Money line, I'ma run it every time. Give me mine, going up, need no decline. Money line, I'ma run it every time. Give me mine, going up, need no decline. Yeah, 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 yeah. Why check Castro, yeah, I need my ass. Yeah, yeah. Why check Castro, yeah, I need my money line. Why check Castro, yeah, I need my money line. Why check Castro, yeah, I need my.
What up? And just like that, the weekend's over. Went down to Tampa Fairgrounds, had a great time with Stunner Reese, Real to Real, CJ, Big Boots J, Tunchi, Sugar Man on that. We had a good time, man. Good fun. The show was good. Made me wanna do some different stuff. So, and I have a different car that I still need to let you guys know, but this definitely gave me the motivation that I need to get all that stuff done. I'm over here with, let me show you, trying to get it all loosened up a little. I'm over here with my son. Say what up. Yeah, he's too cool for school. So, yeah. So definitely, guys, if you really, you know, like what you see, like the video, definitely hit that subscribe button down below, the bell icon, ding, for future uploads. Like, share, and definitely comment on the videos. 2021 is going to be a big year for all of us, and definitely stay tuned for what's going on. And and then also for everyone else, you know, everyone who has shown love and everything like that. But yeah, it was a good time, and I'm out. Peace.
I don't know what sleep is. I got a queen, she lit me the evening. She ripe like a peach and she snapped me the snippet. You well overdue for that link up in person. Text me to fall through its murder, she wrote it. Still up with courage, you're doing a service. Pull up to the crib, I'm equipped with the brush strokes. Cutthroat from the low, where no love goes. Women buddy like a